Мәссаған достар, біз деген банк тонауға миссияға дайындық аяқталды осымен. Қазір енді біз кім мынау? Лестер, Майкл, кім бар тағыдан да? Франклин бар, бәріміз, короче, жиналамыз да қазір. Банк тонауға барамыз ғой, примерно шы. Лаңқарш бірін-бірін жеп отыр, лаңқарш бірін-бірін жеп отыр, Майклмен тезірек. Не істейміз деп, да. Ел жеттен о ерзегіз дейді. Мені Франклин де келді. Ал, давай, кеттік ал, давай, банк тонуға. Майклға отыр дейді рульге. Мені Франклин. Мә, біз деген, ё-майо. 6 километр жүреді екен достар. Ал сікене. Чо там, Франклин, сен бұдан бұры тонадың ба дейді банкті? Тонадың бей банкты жоқ, банк тонаған жоқ әлі, е? Ювелирка тонадық қой біз соңғы біріз. Ламбард тонадық қой, ламбардта.
88 outskirts of Carcer City. Took a small franchise for 10G.
Had things easier back then.
25 years ago. Jesus! You! Tezірек, go! What was your first bank score?
I was somewhat of a prodigy. Dropped out of school, wanted to start taking down joints. Didn't know how to do it. And then it clicked. I got the most powerful weapon on the planet up here. My mind, right?
Yeah.
As soon as I understood that, I wrote a note, handed it to a teller, walked out of the bank with a couple of grand. Did it again the next day. Got caught on the 5th job and got sent away for 10 years.
Too bad. So,
No. Best thing that could have happened to me. I really studied inside. Psychology, sociology, animal behavior. Now my brain's a super weapon. You know, I got some ideas about how this job might be run more efficiently.
Yeah. Good for you. Hey, your turn to share, kid.
I told you I don't remember the details, man.
Leave him alone, Trevor.
This is an important moment, Michael. Here we are, on our way to almost certain death, bonding, pouring our hearts out, and this guy is sitting here, soaking it up and giving nothing in return.
Hey, if he don't remember,
I'm supposed to trust this man with my life, and he don't trust me with the details of his first bank job.
Well, how about you? Why don't you share with the group? I'm here. I'll back the facts.
The checks cash place. I went in, took him for $8,000, walked out.
It was a bit more complicated than that, though, wasn't it, T?
Maybe I knew the guy. Maybe he ID'd me.
Maybe you did 6 months.
Maybe I was out in 4, and that children is why we don't leave witnesses.
That children is why you don't rob people that you know.
Frankly, share.
Yeah, come on, kid. It can't be worse than Trevor's.
Alright, man, shit. Okay, the score was like 2 stacks, man.
2G? Take home on your first gig? That ain't bad, man.
Man, the whole score was 2 stacks. Only I didn't see none of that shit. Dye pack went off, home. Money was useless then.
You amateur!
Alright, Frank, we're gonna drop you up here, okay? When you hear it kick off, get ready, because we're gonna want to go ASAP.
I'm on getaway, man. I'll do it.
Так.
Alright, you know where you gotta be?
I got it down.
I'll bring a dye pack just for you.
Енді біз ажақ қараты жақында барайық. Фургонды банктан өсек.
We ready for this?
I could use a restroom break.
And risk getting ID'd. You're an idiot.
Барылмайсың туалетке.
You all ready? Let's go!
Так. Мынаны қара. Маска киіп алған, қара. Майкл ғой, Майкл. Давай, банк тонаймыз.
Please get on the floor. You're being robbed.
Банк тонаймыз.
Two ways, friends. Everyone on the floor. Now, you and you. Out from behind the counter. That's it.
Қашындар, кетіңдер.
Keep
Банк
an eye on
тонаймыз.
our trusted employee.
Okay,
Just sit
you guys
this
are
out.
proud. Cops will be here soon, so keep an eye out.
I'll cut through the door, Em. Just need you to kick it open.
Down.
Nobody be a hero.
Jesus Christ, Em. Kick it down.
If you listen,
Жоқ
you'll
көбірге.
survive.
Kick the door down, Em.
Бәлі. Йонан қара. Ақша қара, ақша. Ақша көйіп барады көрдің бәлі.
Not if I catch him first.
Миллионнан көрген көрдің бә? Аңқара, полицейлер келді.
Stay back. We got hostages.
Полицейлер келді.
Tell the sheriff the 211 is
банк
confirmed.
тонасқанда.
We're gonna need everything we got down here.
Йо-майо.
Sheriff's here.
Аңқара
We
мұнда
never
келді.
could have beaten that
Ақша
response.
тонауы.
There's other ways of beating it.
Аңқара. Полицейлер қапта кетті. Йо-майо. Кетті аңқара.
I don't care if they surrender. I'm killing these
Қалай
bad
қашамыз,
guys.
Франклин келеді чекас көмекке бізге де.
We'll talk like gentlemen. Time to face the music.
Sweet.
Йо-майо, налар кейін маған. Аңқара.
If we can deal with these guys, we're fine down the road. They got eyes in the sky.
And the price again. He's on
Бәрі келі
I
отыр.
got a minigun, you humorless
Екеміз
prick.
оттар тұрлағанбыз,
Team, down the bird.
If you say so.
Аңқара тұршы. Йо-майо, не деген көрінісі.
Let's go. Move. I got you covered. Go, team. Come on, T. I don't have time for your bullshit.
Hey, this cop's in the bay.
Давай.
You hear that, guys? Shit. We aren't getting out on the water. We're not going through this, not with 50 pounds of gear. Blast it. The fence, bro. Unleash hell on it. By the pool.
Давай, қашта.
Bring the fence down. We got a window. Let's move. Take down the fence, bro.
Give yourselves up.
Hey, Frank. We need another escape route. Can you find a vehicle? Somebody might stand up to gunfire. There's some construction around the way.
We're bringing down the fences here, real and emotional. Go through the fence. There is no way out.
Mana. Franklin
We need another escape
Franklin
route.
isteyimiz gerek.
Can you find a vehicle?
Lan
Somebody
karım,
might stand up
bari
to
de.
gunfire. There's some
Naga
construction
spetsnaz
around the
politik
way.
Yo-майо.
Stay in cover. We gotta push through this roadblock.
They got tack guys in Polito Bay.
Мен қамайды ona oldu. Havası da. Ya. Kızıyım bu atı.
This is it. Let's go. Only about another half mile to move these days.
Аңқарашын. Оқытамайды ғой.
That'll do it. Just what we need. More heat. You have got to be kidding.
Hey, we're taking this score to buy one of them unwieldy motherfuckers. They're right in front of us. Are you seeing that?
аңқара.
It's too heavy.
You want to play dead?
We won't be playing. Hey.
Майкл қайда,
through here.
Майкл.
Right
Ой,
along.
Майкл деп Франклин қайда, Франклин.
Fine.
Давай, Тревор, жүгір.
Our boy's pinned in. We gotta leave him.
We gonna take that chance with the cash as well?
I can't feel my legs. I can't feel my legs. Do something. Move us off me, you pricks. I can't feel my legs. I can't feel my legs.
Yo-майо, біздің жоғалды.
More vehicles.
Өліп
So
қалды.
this is where our defense spending goes.
Yo-майо.
You don't care about this money.
Haven't you got some global police work to do?
How the fuck is Uncle Sam involved?
I'm a conscientious objector, you dick!
T? What the hell is that?
That's hanging from a chopper.
That's what I
Mana Franklin boğumuz indi.
thought. We need to get out of here.
Ankara.
Alright, this is it, man.
Tez jeteyim gerek bana.
I ain't dead yet. I'm on my way.
Mana. Oh my god.
How many dudes they got in this private army? The bank robbers in the other direction. Hey, you blocking the wrong road, man. Hey, move. Clear out the way. Hear me? I gotta get through here. Hey, what have I done? Hey, man, these guys are every fucking where. How you doing, son? You hear that gunfire? That's how I'm doing. Listen to the shoot. Pinpoint they tough. Fuck off already. It's getting hairy over here. It's hairy over here too, man. Chill. Oh, over here. So I guess we shooting our way out of here.
There's a ride.
Good kid.
Go, 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 go.
Давай, at. Man, tank çok oldu. Yo, man, tank çok, tank.
There's another tank coming from the right.
Hey, what happened to the other guy?
He's in a better place.
Damn, that's too bad.
Shit happens. Move on. Drive the fucking digger. He's a humanitarian.
That tank don't look too friendly. The platform, let's go. Holy Jesus!
They're all over us. This is a power thing, buddy. Down, assholes!
Yok, manda не жүр. Полицейскийлер жүр, полицейскийлер жүр.
Stay behind me, kid. I got the arm. I'm starting to feel underdressed, dog. Use me as cover, Frank. We don't want to get out front.
If I'd known you'd be this annoying.
Hey, Frank, you good?
Ya sarıga жетіміз керек қой кез. Ақшам азайып баратыр. Ya azayып баратыр. 5 миллион қалды.
Paycheck's no good when you're dead, you ass.
Бағана ғана адам өліп қалмағанда.
Come on, come on.
Ya сол өлмегенде біз ақшамыз көп болып еді.
How you doing?
Oh, more army showing up.
Давайте, кеттік в темпе.
Come on, you assholes!
Fuck off already! Ah, it was going so sweet!
Die, you pricks!
Bizde kaz 5 milyon $900 var. Oldu жақсақсы енді.
We get clear! Come on! Last call! Could be our only way out of here!
Давайте, жігіттер. Қозғалыңдар, тез.
Kid! You still alive?
Өтпейді, оны
way!
So I guess we shoot our way out of here!
шығып отыр бәрі.
The platform, let's go! Couple more minutes!
I just macked a tank, you prick!
Give us a minute! Hey, let's get this paper home! Fuck off, asshole! It's getting heavy! Now's when we could have used Daryl to help hold it together.
I think this should go over another few minutes of this shitty attitude
Kapta
any
oturma
day.
oğlum.
I knew he wasn't that good, but I didn't know he was a dick, okay? Look out! They're into the warehouse!
Ё-моё.
How long we gotta hold for?
Кетейік вообще, ё-моё.
Hey, when this train come?
Where's the train?
Оған өлмейді оны олардың ешқайсысы. Тығылып отырса.
How long?
We ain't got long!
Bite me.
The train! It's our only shot! It's here! Let's go! Let's
Давай,
go!
давай.
Here we go! Right here!
Міне, біздің пойыз келді. Кет, кет. Міне. Ограбление сәтті аяқталды, ё-моё. Қазір енді место точкада листа тосып алса бізді
Let's go!
күшті болады. Мынаны қара.
Easy. I'm a friendly. Agent Sanchez.
Агент
Our very
Санчес.
own corrupt G-man in training.
You gotta be careful, buddy, all right? Because
Oh.
they are looking around these trains
Yeah.
for illegals. And if you're
Back.
mistaken, you'll be shot, amigo.
Very amusing.
Миллион, 5
If you
миллион бізде.
expecting them two to bring you up, you're gonna be disappointed, homie.
Қазір олардан
Right back
бәрі
at ya.
бөледі ғой.
Got the money?
Everything we got.
Бәріне бөледі ғой
Here's-
біріне бірі. Так. Майкл болып кетті қой. Ограбление сәтті аяқталды. Ё-моё, достар.